Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to write a code for a text box so that it only can accept the numbers or numerical values and not the other characters. So for example, I have been showing you this code in my video series in which I enter employee ID, name and all the data of the employee, and when I press save, the data is saved into the database. But right now, when for example I want to enter the age, and in this field I could be able to type any string characters also, like this, which I don't want that user should be able to enter these characters where it is supposed to enter the numerical values only. So I want to restrict the user so that it can only, or he or she can only enter the numerical values. So let's see how can we do that. So I will just close the run project and just go to the text in which you want to restrict the user to enter only the numerical values. So this is the age text box, and then I will go to the properties of this text box and I will go to the event section. So press this event in the properties, and then I will go to I will search for the key press event here. Okay, so just go here and in this key press event, just double click it and we will go to the key press event of the text box age, right? And in here you just need to write the code. So write this code here. So you need to write this code, which is char, and give it a variable name is equal to e dot key char, which is this e. Okay, key press event argument e. So e dot key char, and then give it a condition, if condition, and in the bracket give first of all not equal to sign, this sign, and then write char dot is digit, and in the bracket pass this variable. Okay, so what this will do is it asks the text box only to accept the digit value. So char dot is digit, it's checking if the entered value in the text box is a digit, and otherwise if we press the backspace key, so this 8 signifies the backspace key. Okay, so I will show you. Just write the code, if in the bracket not equal to char dot is digit, and pass this char variable, and once again copy this char variable not equal to 8. And if you go to the Microsoft key enumeration table, so just Google for Microsoft key enumeration for Csharp, and you will come to this page here, which is of Microsoft, and in here you will find the key enumeration for different keys of the keyboard. So I'm searching for the backspace key. So the backspace key has the enumeration or the number 8. That's why I'm using the 8 number there. Okay, if you want to be able to press some other keys, like for example I want to use the delete key also, so I will search for it. and this is del key, which is 46, right? So what I will do is I will go to my code and I will just copy this thing and I will make a space, paste it here, and here I will just enter 46. So I can press backspace key or delete key or any digit. Other than that, if I press any key, it will not be entered into the text box. So let's see what I'm talking about. So just write this code and then run your code. Username and password, and in here I could be able to write anything. Here also any text, here also any text. And in here, when I press any string, I'm pressing so many keys at a time for the string, but it's not accepting. But when I press any number, for example any numerical value, it's taking. Or when I press backspace, it's taking the backspace also. Okay, so it's only taking the numbers and backspace, and it will also take the delete also, but that's not true for this case because I cannot delete without going back. So here, for example, I go here and I press delete, it's taking the delete also. Okay, so it's taking delete, backspaces and number, nothing else. I will keep on pressing some other keys, but it's not taking. So that's how you can restrict your key or text box to take only the numbers. In this way you can customize your text box to take only numbers, strings. It's on your imagination how to use this code. Okay, and for the key enumeration, just go to this, just search for key enumeration for C# and you will come to this Microsoft enumeration page, and you can see what key stands for what number. Okay, so I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.